Have you been feeling like your body's getting weaker as the years go by? Let me tell you a secret. Some simple fruits from your local market could help your body rebuild muscle you thought was gone forever. After 60, most people think it's normal to feel low on energy, have leg pain, or feel weaker than they used to. But here's the good news. Sarcopenia, which is the gradual loss of muscle with age, isn't some kind of life sentence. There are simple ways to feel stronger. And one of them is so common, you won't believe it. I'm talking about fruit. Have you noticed you're slower going up the stairs? Or that your body takes more time to warm up in the morning? That's the result of natural muscle loss that happens with age. It's called sarcopenia, and it happens faster than we think, especially if we don't do anything to stop it. Most people think they need a gym, supplements, or some strange diet to fix it. But the most powerful changes often come from small daily habits, like what you put on your plate. So here are 5 fruits that help your muscles rebuild, even after 60. 1. Avocado. It's soft, tasty, and surprisingly powerful. Avocados are loaded with healthy fats that fight inflammation, one of the top reasons for muscle weakening. Plus, they have more potassium than bananas. And potassium keeps your muscles from cramping up or tightening like rusty wires. Add in vitamin E and fiber, and avocado becomes a true superfood for older adults who want to stay strong and energized. 2. Tart cherries, not the sweet kind. Ever had that heavy, stiff feeling in your legs first thing in the morning? Tart cherries might help. They contain compounds that reduce inflammation and muscle pain. But what makes them special is the natural melatonin they have, which helps you sleep better. And when you sleep better, your body heals better. Just a small glass of tart cherry juice before bed can make a big difference in how you feel in the morning. 3. Pomegranate. That red fruit full of little seeds we sometimes don't have the patience to peel. It's actually a powerhouse for your muscles. It improves blood flow, meaning more oxygen and nutrients reach your muscle fibers. More blood flow equals better muscle performance. 4. Prunes. I know you probably think of your grandma when you hear prunes. But these dried fruits are stronger than they look. They're rich in antioxidants that protect your muscles from damage. Even more exciting, they may help activate a hormone called IGF-1, which actually triggers muscle growth. So they don't just slow down muscle loss, they might help you build new strength. And if you're over 60, that's a big deal. 5 apples. Don't peel them. You've heard the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Well, the peel of the apple contains something called ursolic acid, which helps build muscle. It also boosts energy thanks to fiber and quercetin, which protects your cells. But remember, don't peel it. The good stuff is in the skin. So, if you're watching this, you don't need to run marathons or take protein powders by the spoonful. You just need an avocado in the morning, an apple with the peel in the afternoon, and maybe some tart cherry juice at night. These are fruits you probably already have in your kitchen, but never looked at them as natural muscle power. Sarcopenia doesn't stop on its own, but you can slow it down. You can feel better, walk longer, and feel stronger, without making life complicated. Don't underestimate the power of a simple plate. This isn't about looking younger. It's about feeling better, about walking easier, lifting things without fearing injury. Subscribe now so you don't miss our next tips for staying strong and healthy after 60.